are nearing closer to Thanksgiving, and one local church is looking to give back to people in need. Victory Outreach Southwest Bakersfield Church is holding a turkey giveaway tomorrow. The church will be giving away 300 turkeys and bags. It will be first come, first served. Registration starts at 6 p.m. and you'll be required to have your ID and your proof of address. The event gets underway at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening, and the turkeys will be given away afterward. It's scheduled to be held at the church's location on New Horizon Boulevard.